In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture on Canva template 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap images in any Canva template using the built-in Uploads panel with a few practical tips to keep everything looking polished. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. A quick search for Canva will take you there. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your designs save properly. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you start, so your uploads and templates appear where you expect. On the home page, click Create. This is where you choose what you're designing, like an Instagram post, presentation, or flyer. From here, you can browse Canva's templates to find a layout that matches your project. Pick a template you like and open it. Canva will launch the editor with your chosen design ready to customize. Now look to the left-hand sidebar and click Uploads. This is your library for all images you bring into Canva. Click Upload Files, then select the photo from your computer. You'll see a progress indicator as it uploads. Larger images may take a moment, and high-resolution files generally look better in print or full-width sections. Once the thumbnail appears in your Uploads panel, the image is ready to use. To replace a picture in the template, click and drag your uploaded photo from the Uploads panel onto the image area you want to swap. When you hover over a photo frame or placeholder, you'll see a subtle highlight. Release your mouse and Canva will snap your new picture into that spot, replacing the old one. If you're replacing a background image, drag directly over the background until you see it switch. If the photo doesn't snap into place, try dropping it onto the canvas first, then drag it specifically over the intended frame until the highlight appears. For a clean result, aim for images with similar orientation to the original, landscape for landscape, portrait for portrait, so the composition feels natural. After the replacement, you can fine-tune the positioning by double-clicking the image inside the frame to nudge it left or right for a better crop. You can also scale a bit to avoid cutting off important details. Canva saves as you go, so there's no need to worry about losing changes. When you're happy with how it looks, continue customizing the rest of the design or move on to download when you're finished. That's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.